Hi guys! Today we're going to talk about our B150 since we do get a lot of questions on it. Here's mine. Mine's pink. And we're going to talk about the different variations of plungers or injectors that you can get.
All right, cool. So yeah, let's talk about it. We get a bunch of questions and people always ask, or they just think they want the B150, but they don't know if they want the B150 with the aluminum screw type, the stainless steel screw type, or the stainless steel spring type. So let's jump in, Monique. Give us some details on the different bridges.
Okay, the different injectors. So here's the aluminum screw type. This one is, you obviously, like it says, you screw it in, screw it out, pull it, and put it in pressure vacuum. It is made of aluminum, which makes the bridge itself lighter. It helps. It's a cheaper metal. It's still good. It's great quality. It's not to say that it's not going to do the job better than the stainless steel or anything like that, but it is a cheaper metal, so it allows us to have it at a lower price point for you guys. And again, keeps it nice and light.
Yeah. And with our bridges, they come with one seal, so all you got to do is change that one injector seal at the bottom. We recommend you change it every 10 repairs, but it's one seal. We top load our resin into the injector barrel, and it's simple and easy to use. Once you go in between the pressure and vacuum cycles, you thread it in until you feel that tension to get and watch the resin flow into the brake, and you unthread it to release the pressure for it to go in between pressure and vacuum cycles. We have that same setup, but in stainless steel.
So here I have it with the stainless steel. Again, screw type and pull out. You screw in, pull out to put it in pressure vacuum mode. But this is stainless steel, so this will last a lot longer. It's got some weight on it, so it makes your bridge a little heavier. But like how Corey mentioned, we do use the same end seal. And you're able to switch these out as you go. And so if you get the aluminum and you decide you want to just upgrade to the stainless steel, you are able just to buy this piece and attach it to your bridge.
Yep, so that's the stainless steel, aluminum. They both work the same, just different metals. Stainless steel versus aluminum. They still both take the same injector end seal, and the windshield repair process is the same. Lastly, we have our spring type, which is stainless steel, but completely different way of doing the windshield repair.
Okay, so here I have the spring-loaded stainless steel. Again, you can take these out, switch them out. Same thing, same end seal. But this one is the one that you pick up and you turn to the right. Yep. To put in pressure, and you pick up, turn to the right to put in set it backwards. Put it in vacuum and pressure mode.
Yeah, so that one, same way, top load, you inject the resin into the brake, you go through a series of pressure and vacuum cycles, and all you got to do is pull up and turn to the right. So easy. If you're getting started in windshield repair, it takes all the guesswork out, because all you do is pull up, turn to the right. If you do anything to the left, you're doing something wrong. All three styles take the same injector end seal. The resin is injected the same, but all three work perfectly fine. It just depends on your actual preference.
Yeah, and our B150 also come in multiple colors. We have other ones that I don't have here, but they also come in different colors, so you can match them to your logo or favorite color or favorite team, football team.
We got them in different colors, and for a little bit extra, you can actually get your logo put on the bridge. Or if you got a custom saying you want, we can actually customize the bridge for you, and we have different colors. So if you're interested in getting a B150 with whatever injector configuration, or if you want it customized, hit us up and we'll take care of you.